how to use Detune. As you could hear, having different phases result in slightly different sounds, especially when combined. But we can do much more, like using Detune. Detune is the option where you can give all the available voices slightly different pitches. This produces a bigger frequency coverage and usually a fatter type of sound. Now, since you need to have at least 2 voices to be able to create a tune difference, you cannot detune a one voice signal. So if you are going to use Detune, make sure to have at least 2 active voices. But let's find out what it sounds like when we play around with different detune levels and different voice numbers. By the way, if you have a question or suggestion you want me to cover, scroll down and leave a comment below. If I can provide a good answer, you will most likely see a video coming up soon.